All right, so here we go. Look at the demarcation line. You know what that is? That's the dry line. So when the dry line moves east, remember that all these temperatures warm up in that west desert air behind a dry line. 106 the high today at Cotulla, 101 Hondo, 100 Uvalde, 102 Del Rio, Eagle Pass, it's 104. And then you can see that the temperatures, although hot, are much cooler on the western side of that dry line. Isn't that incredible? 94 for us ties a record from 1948. We should have stopped at 80, by the way, so a lot warmer than average. All right, storms tonight going right across I-45. We had a tornado warning just a moment ago off the top of the show, and now we've got severe thunderstorm warnings in that little package. You can see in San Antonio, here come the storms that race through. There were only a few, but where they did fall, they left their mark. These were all hail producers. They were small to, again, moderate size hail, and now the action's getting very dangerous for northern Louisiana. You're going to go Shreveport, almost down to Alexandria on a tornado watch tonight. This line's still violent, and it's going to blow up again tomorrow with daytime heating. We've got a big severe weather outbreak expected. You can see the 1, 2, and 3 level on the storms, but look what happens tomorrow, and it does include East Texas, but then we go to a Cat 4 on a moderate read for severe weather from Jackson, Mississippi up to Memphis. So it's all along the dry line and cold front that are all going to sweep off to the east, and so much ample moisture to work with. But now with this front moving in, here come the winds again. It was breezy at times today. It'll be windy again on Wednesday. A fire weather watch in effect for tomorrow because, again, how dry it is. I mean, those isolated storms did not put down measurable rainfall. And then temperatures, since this is going to dry out, dry air loves to heat up. We'll start tomorrow in the 70s, and we're going right back up to the mid to upper 90s again tomorrow. So another very hot day. Now, the atmosphere is going to settle down. As we get into Thursday, Friday, and Easter weekend, zonal flow on the upper levels. That's when these lines are going straight from west to east. It stays very quiet. You can even start seeing a ridge of high pressure build. That means a very dry forecast. All right, outside tonight, southeast winds are still moving pretty good. Look at Old Glory. 77, southeast wind at 22 miles per hour right now. Dew point still high at 70. And speaking of dew points, we get a one-day break. And then heading into Easter weekend, it's going to be humid again. And add that humidity to the 90s. That's what's waiting for us on Saturday and Sunday. 95 tomorrow, close to 90 Thursday, Friday. And both days a little bit breezy, but then a hot Easter weekend, 93 to 94.